Namaste ji. Welcome to Cult Live. I am Anil and I welcome you to this yoga and nature. So today's session is again all about strength Vinyasa. So we'll be starting our session with a quick warm-up, Surya Namaskara A, 3 rounds, and then our sequences. So today we're at this beautiful beach we have in Rishikesh. This is called Shivpuri Beach, and the sun is about to rise right behind me. So just enjoy the view, enjoy the practice. Let's do it all together. Sit comfortably, keep the palms on the knees, keep the elbows bent, spine long and active, and keeping the eyes softly closed. Wonderful. Just being there, giving yourself some time. Try not to get distracted. You just keep observing the breath. And then we join the hands to the chest. We'll begin with 3 Omkaras. Breathing in deep. Breathing again. Last. Rubbing the palms, generating some heat there. Covering the eyes, covering the face. Open the eyes, look into the palms, and relax. Alright, so this was a quick centering, right? We don't need this before we start the session. So we move to our warm-up now. I'll quickly demonstrate. The first one is just to open the chest and the shoulders. So we keep the palms on the knees. What we do is we lift the shoulders up, roll back and down. So we do this 5 times. And then 5 we do reverse, back and up. And this down. So 5 of this and then 5 of this. You join the hands, the elbows. Inhale and you open as much as you can. Push it back. Exhale and to the front. Inhale and open. We do this 5 times. Quickly all together, covering the knees with the palms. Inhale, lift the shoulders up, roll back and down. 2, inhale up and exhale down. 3, inhale up and exhale down. 4, inhale up, exhale down. 5, inhale up, exhale down and reverse. 5, there you go. 4, lift the shoulders as high as you can. 3, there you go. 2, 1, and relax. Join the hands. Namaste, huh? Elbows and palms together. Inhale and open as much as we can. Exhale and close. Inhale and open. Exhale and close. 3, open. Exhale and close. 4, open. Exhale and close. 5, open. Exhale and close. Relax. Beautiful. Just see quickly our second warm-up. We interlace the fingers, keeping the palms behind. Inhale there, exhale and go down to the one side. See if you can touch the elbow to the knee. And then you come back up, switch, exhale and touch Inhale and come up. Try not to lift the knees up when you go down to the left. Do not lift this knee up. Or when you're going to this side, don't lift this knee up. Let's try and do that all together. 5 to the right side, 5 to the left side. Interlace the fingers, hands behind the head. Inhale there. Exhale to your right. Inhale up. Exhale left. Inhale up. Switch. Exhale. Inhale up. Switch. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale. Good side stretch. Switch. Exhale. 1 last. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and up. Exhale and release. Beautiful. And we move to our next sequence practices. I'm going to quickly demonstrate our sequence 1, then we'll practice all together. So here we are. We start off with a quick Vinyasa, which is through Surya Namaskara A. So Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Treni head up, Chatwari, see if you can jump back, Pancha inhale, Shat exhale, and then you jump between the palms. You come halfway, head up the way we were lifting, and then you extend the hands to the front. Samakonasana. We stay there for 5 breaths, extending the arms to the front. Fully forward. We stay there for 5 breaths, maintaining this position, taking the hands back, lift the arms up, and then you take the right leg back. We stay here for 5 breaths. 5 breaths done, you drop this down and fold forward fully. We stay here for 5 breaths, and then releasing this, jump back, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, jump through, and then we do it again. Then we lift the left leg up. You just be there. I'm going to quickly demonstrate the next sequence so that we can practice all together, right? So we start off with Adho Mukha and a quick Vinyasa there. Post that, we drop the knees down, we come back up fully, and we lift the knees up. Utkatasana we do, and then we drop the knees, bend the knees, drop the knees down, keep the palms here on the waist, lift this left leg, send it to the front, and then you see if you can keep this bent but focus on balancing just on the toe, tip of the toe, or you can even lift this up and balance. We try and find the balance just on the right knee. If you're practicing this on the hard surface, please keep a hanky or anything right under the knee, or fold the mat quickly and place the knee there. Or you just balance here on the tip of the toes and on this knee. Or you can lift the hand as well. And then right elbow outside the left knee, twist and namaste. And stay and smile, and then if you can, lift the back knee up, drop, go back, quickly Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, drop the knees, come back up, Utkatasana, drop, and then right. Same goes with the right. So we balance, twist, and then again Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. So we're doing that. 5 on the right side, 5 on the left side. On 5th, we try and hold for 5 breaths in all the movements. 3 movements are there. Just one last sequence we have now to cover. I'll demonstrate that quickly. But the nature here, the weather here is just awesome at this moment. So I'll demonstrate our next sequence quickly and we'll practice all together. Here we are, Adho Mukha. We take a quick Vinyasa pose that we jump through. Navasana. So we lift the legs up, extend the legs out fully, hands behind the head, balancing there. And we do the cycling there. So 1, 2, We do 10 times and then 10 reverse. 10, 9 until 1. There we go. And then we release this position. We lie down. Keep the knees bent. Supta Kapotasana. So we lift this right. We place this here on the left thigh. We lift this left knee up. This position. Then we take left hand from here. We take right arm between both the legs. Interlace the fingers and pull this knee. We stay there for 5 breaths. We switch the side. Right arm outside, left hand inside both the legs. And pull it. 5 breaths from this side. And then Supta Baddha Konasana. You can keep the palms on the thighs and press them down. Or you can just relax there. Release the legs. Come back to Savasana. Straighten the legs out. Toes relaxing on the sides. Arms to the sides. Keep the eyes closed. Join the legs, stretch the toes. Give yourself a nice stretch. And turn towards the one side. Bend the knees and sit up, sit back on the mat. Sit comfortably, keep the eyes closed. Alright Ji, so that was it about our today's strength session. Till then you take care. Thank you Ji and Namaste.